Hi, my name is Kaushlendra. Today we are going to learn shortcut keys of IntelliJ. I've categorized the shortcuts in multiple parts, such as searching, navigation, editing, etc. So today we will look for the shortcuts which are useful in searching. So the first thing that we'll see is looking for a text in a file. Okay, so as we usually use Control F as a find for other applications as well, the same is being used here. That is Command F. Okay, so by using this, we can search for a text here. Okay, so this is how we can search. Apart from this, we do have the different kind of filters that are available here. That is your case sensitivity. If you want to have a case sensitivity, you can enable this option. If you're looking for searching of specific words, you can choose that option. Apart from these two, you have the other option as well using the regex. Okay, so this is how we can search for a text in a file. Now, moving on to the next item, how we can search for a text in the directory in a project or a module. Okay, for that, we can use Control Shift F. By using this, there's a pop-up will appear, and as we were searching for, we can look for something like this here. Okay, so on this, we do have the extension of different things, like we can define the scope as in project, in module, in directory, wherever we want to search. Okay, apart from this, we can provide the masking as well for which particular file type that you want to search. Okay, so if you want to search for all the files, then you can use like this, or if you don't want to provide it something like this, you can use like this. Okay, so this is how we can provide the filtration on the basis of file pattern as well. As we have seen, the case sensitivity, word, and expression were available in the file-based search. The same is available here itself. Okay, moving on to the next item. As we have seen how we can search the text in different things, now we are talking about the files, how we can search the files in your project. Okay, for that we'll be using Command Shift N. Okay, so as you can see, the files is being highlighted here. Okay, and for this we can look for a file, so be it a Java file or an XML or something, a normal text file as well. Okay, by using this you can look for the files which is available in your project. Okay, moving on to the last item, that is class. Suppose if you're not search for the classes only specifically, you don't want to search for other files and all that, so you don't need to go with the file-based approach. You can go with the class-based approach. In that case, you can just has to use Command N as an option. Okay, so it will specifically look for the classes. Okay, like this. We do have an application class here. It's a Java class. As you can see, the C is being highlighted over there. That defines it's in class. Okay. So this is providing a very much specification that to search for the classes only, and the files provide the variations for all kind of files that you want to search. That's all for today. Thank you.